Hi Frank, I'm just going to make you a screencast to show you what to do. I think you're trying to turn in your All About Me presentation. So, sorry, I just have to click on that first because it thinks I'm a student. Okay, so you had to click here to make yourself a copy, and hopefully you did that. And then you would make your slide. I'm not going to make the whole thing, but you would make your slide. And I'm going to name it your name so I can find it again easily. Okay, so let's say that I worked on it and it's all done. Now I'm going to go back to my Canvas page and I'm going to click Submit Assignment right up here. And I'm going to, I could either do a file upload and find it in my Google Drive, but since Google Drive is one of my choices right here, I'm just going to click the Google Drive. Oh, it's not going to let me. You can do that and then find your All About Me presentation and click on it and then hit submit and you're done. I can't, it won't let me do that while I'm in student view, so I'm going to show you how to do the file, which I guess it's not going to let me do that either. So what I could do is go back to where it was, and I might be able to download it to my computer. You could do a PowerPoint or a PDF, any of those would work. Okay, and then, sorry, I'm going to close these because I want to save that to my desktop where I can find it again. So here it is, Frank Martin. I'm just going to pull it out there to my desktop. Okay, and now when I go to submit, file, choose file, I can find it on my desktop because that's where I just dropped it. Where is it? Oh, right there, Frank Martin, All About Me. And then I click it and click open and I submit the assignment and that's it. However, I think it's easier for you if when you do submit assignment, if you just click on Google Drive, it won't let me show you exactly how to do that, but it's easier for you if you click on Google Drive and do the find your file that way. Please email me if that doesn't make sense. Thanks.